Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable Windows recovery environment in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Windows Recovery Environment, WinRE, is a built-in recovery tool that helps troubleshoot and repair issues that prevent Windows from booting properly. It includes features like Startup Repair, System Restore, and Command Prompt for advanced troubleshooting. To disable or enable WinRE in Windows 11, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following command to check the current status of WinRE. To disable WinRE, enter. To enable WinRE, enter. Restart your PC for changes to take effect. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.